All right, hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick view of where I'm at on this roll cage for the this is a Fiat 131. It's going to be an Abarth Stradale replica, and I've been working on it for quite a while now with this cage and a few enhancements to the body, and it's basically fitted and tacked, and all we need to do is do our welding to complete at this point, and then we go on to I believe to get some body work at that stage. So anyways, here's just a quick kind of overview of what I've done on this car. So we've added in the tube work. It's a 6-point roll cage per FIA regulation specifications. The base of this starts with a piece of, I believe it's 2x3 steel tube that runs along the rocker, on the whole chassis, and then the cage ties in through the body to that steel beam underneath, which ties this all together. Basically increases the rigidity of the whole chassis and gives something to anchor the cage to as well. So the other thing we've done on this is made new shock towers for the rear, because this has a suspension kit on it with some coilovers, and it's been converted to an IFS. So it needed something to have the shock towers for your suspension. So we boxed those in, and then of course that became the tie-ins for the cage. And then of course I have to create body tie-ins, and I made the stiffener plates. Epic fail, I didn't tack those yet, so that was cute. So anyways, this is just some 16 gauge steel that I cut holes and did the dimple die, and that was the one thing I haven't tacked yet. And then these get welded into the body and into the cage. It basically stiffens it up, and I've got them on the front as well. Now these are tacked in, so we won't have any surprises there. But that goes to the windshield frame and to what's called the A-pillar, or the front bars. So FIA regulations require this front windshield bar stiffener, they call it. And then the customer has requested removable top door bar. And so that's what we have here, is removable joints. It's just going to be used as a street car when he's not out rallying it, and he wants to be able to get in and out easy. So there it is. Just thought you want to see a quick look of what it's like when you get all the jungle gym put together. It's a lot of work. Build a cage, and they're very expensive, as anyone that knows anything about case or has their price windows. And the reason is it's many hours of work for fitment. You get nice tight fit for your good welds. It's a lot of work to get your the math and your bends correct. Oops, sorry about my finger. This is the harness bar, which we were able to reuse from a previous parts for a cage that was going to go in this car, but there were some changes, so we reused that piece. So now we got a buddy coming over. He's going to be doing a TIG weld to finish this one off, and then we'll be working on the next project.